Solving systems of equations is going to be one of those skills that's critical to you in Algebra 2. You're going to see it a lot. It's actually something that as you get into the business world or your profession, it's one of those algebra skills you're actually most likely to use. But graphing can be a pain in the rear. Nobody wants to carry around graph paper. A graphing calculator isn't always readily available. So I'm going to teach you a couple of strategies for solving systems using algebra. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the method of substitution. So I have two equations here, and the first thing I want to do, when you're solving with substitution, you want to manipulate one equation so that you can isolate a variable. So in fancy English words, what that means is I want to make it so that there's only one variable in this equation, and I want that variable to be x, because solving for x is something I know how to do. So I'm going to take the first equation and rewrite it so that I'm solving it for y. We okay with that? So y equals 2x plus 8, because if I move this negative 2x to the other side, it's a positive 2x. And now I'm going to take this 2x plus 8 and put it in place of y in my second equation. So that means I'm going to have the equation 3x plus 2x plus 8 equals negative 2. And when I solve this equation, I have 5x plus 8 equals negative 2, 5x equals negative 10, x equals negative 2. Now that I know what x equals, all I have to do is take it and put it back in this equation. 2 times negative 2 plus 8, negative 4 plus 8, so y equals 4. So my ordered pair for this equation, that's the solution, is negative 2, 4. Let's check and see. You can always check by substituting back in. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So I've got a check, and it's all good to go. So I want you to give it a try and solve.